Hello and welcome to Loyola Notes School's product demo video. My name is Yami Roca and I'll go ahead with introducing us here a bit at Loyola Note. First, I'll show you how a classroom can be different and what is enhanced compared to a traditional classroom when using a tablet or PC with Loyola Note. To start, with us, students are able to organize their knowledge and create presentations in groups on their own initiative. And in a number of schools, we have witnessed the transformation of students into passionate learners with this method. Naturally, we love to provide student-centered classes around the world so that both students and teachers can feel the joy of learning. And Loyola Note School is the all-in-one interactive lesson platform specially designed for student-centered learning. Additionally, it serves a major role in reducing teachers' workload and developing students' logical thinking skills. Loyola Note is a cloud app that is compatible with all operating systems and can be used for all grades and subjects. With Loyola Note, student-teacher interactions are made simple, and students can regularly become more immersed in their daily lessons. How we do this is with two unique key features involving simplifying those student-teacher interactions and making lessons immersive. So let me explain what interactive lessons might look like with a quick demonstration. So now you should be able to see a teacher screen on the left side and a student screen on the right side. Let's say a teacher were to start sharing screen. The same view will show up on the student screen as well. And a teacher can zoom in or out, or they can highlight or ping with ease with our laser pointer function. And with our send function, let's go back over here. A teacher can share a document with students right away. And here, once I send it off, we'll see it pop up immediately on the student side as well. There we go. Any kinds of multimedia files, including photos, videos, PDFs, and websites, can be sent within our app. To illustrate our submit function, students can open what we refer to as cards, which is how any file or slide shows up on our interface. And they can add their hand drawings or type to fill in their answers. And as you can see, when they go to submit their assignment, they would just drag and drop the data over the submit button and choose their appropriate drop box. Now we can check on these submissions. All submitted answers are displayed on the teacher screen. Normally, students would not see other answers, but once a teacher allows share answers, as you can see, students can view the submissions of their peers. This is one of the ways that they can develop their thoughts together. In terms of feedback, teachers can provide their comments, like so, and immediately return it with the click of a button. Just the same, it should immediately pop up on the student side. In terms of facilitating visual thinking, here's another quick demonstration. Here, we insert cards into one of our thinking tools, a Venn diagram that serves as one of our many graphic organizers that are a modern twist to the traditional approach. As you can see, it's exceptionally easy to pull cards onto the interface like so. But really, in or out of thinking tools, it's easy to connect each card to make presentations. Any kinds of those multimedia files, including photos, videos, PDFs, websites, can be made into cards. So Loyola Note is essentially a creative tool that makes it easy for teachers to actualize the lessons they envision. And as students are able to create presentations really quickly, they can express their thoughts on various subjects. Now, Let's talk a little bit about what really sets us apart. Our workspace has intuitive operation and is highly flexible. Touch-based interface allows operation while standing or walking. Not to mention, you can instantly turn your thoughts into data with unlimited cloud storage and web filtering services. When it comes to our stats, Loyolono is widely recognized in Japan. 40% of schools in Japan already use our app, and it is currently used in 10,000 schools all over the world by 2 million student and teacher users per day. The number of users in Hong Kong and Taiwan in particular even continues to increase through word of mouth among teachers. So as you can see, we have a pretty good network in place. To get into fees, there's never any charge for teachers, and you're always free to try the service between teachers before involving students. There is a subscription fee for students, for which we are considering a new baseline of $15 per year. In Japan, cities, districts, or schools cover this cost in the case of public schools. Private schools tend to include this cost in their tuition. As for trials, we have a special plan allowing for 1 year free for all schools, public and private, if they become one of our pilot schools. Obviously, we'd love for you to try Loyolono, but this is our basic plan for any market. Aiming for more pilot schools would serve as one of our first steps. So we'd appreciate your thoughts if you'd like to become one. Just feel free to reach out. But for now, thanks so much for your time, and we hope to see you again here at Loyolono School.